Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the Ford Cowl Vent Grille for 1999 to 2004 Mustangs. This is a Ford original equipment part, so it's going to be perfect for those of you out there looking for an OEM part to replace a broken, cracked, or even faded vent. It's an OEM part, so it has that OEM quality. It's great for accident repair or even just restoration. It has a black, grainy, textured finish to it, costs about $215, and I'm going to call the install a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. We'll go ahead and show you how it installs now. For this install, we used a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver bit. You can use it like this or in a ratchet like this. Alright guys, to start your install, you'll need to remove your wiper blade. So in order to do that, you'll take your wiper blade, you'll bend it up like this. There is a pin right here at the base of the wiper blade. You'll push the pin and leave the wiper arm up, and that'll allow you to remove it. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So we'll bend the wiper arm up. This is the pin right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my left hand. I'll push the pin over and out. And then I'll be able to lift up on the wiper arm and pull it off. For the next step, we'll pop the hood. And you'll need to remove this seal or the weather stripping that's right here. So all you're gonna do is peel up on the corner, and then the remainder of it will peel off. Then you'll have 3 push pins along the front of the cowl to remove. We have push pins with a threaded center, so I went ahead, unthreaded the center, and now I'm just gonna pull the push pins out. For the next step, you'll close your hood, and then what you're going to want to do is get your fingers underneath the back side of the cowl. It is held in by push pins, so if you just work your way along and pry up gently, it should pop out of place. All right, from here what we're going to do is we're actually going to flip the cowl over, and we need to disconnect our windshield washer nozzles. All right, so this right here is what you're looking to remove. So we need to work this off. You'll have to do the same thing down here at this one. Now we'll unclip this line here and we can pull the cowl panel off. Before we get our new vent installed, we do need to transfer over our nozzles. So we'll just pop those out real quick and then transfer them into the new vent. I'll squeeze the clip on the front of this, rotate it back towards me, and it'll fall right out of place. Then these will install from the front. It's just gonna clip right into place. All right, so now we're gonna slide this into place. Basically what we're doing right now is just looking for general placement. Do keep in mind that you will need to connect your nozzles, so we're not going to snap anything down into place yet. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this up. I'm going to get my nozzles in place. I'll walk around and grab the other side too. I'll connect this one. Now we're just going to try to slide this into place. So I'm working on the driver's side corner over here. We'll slide this corner into place. Once you have the vent fully seated, you can go ahead and install the supplied push pins. So these will push into place, and then you'll need a Phillips head to tighten them down. I do have a 1/4 inch wrench here. Now we can get our weather stripping back in place. And then we can close the hood and reinstall our wiper blades. So basically what I'm doing here is a little bit of trial and error. You do want to check and see the alignment of the blade and where it's going to sit on the windshield before you lock this back down into place. I like where this one is sitting, so now we're going to finish with the other side. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to get the blade set, Just gonna test and see where it's gonna be laying. Looks good right about there. I'll push the pin in and drop the blade on the windshield. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind, you can always check this out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.